stop, don't use the pen, let's think. And he would be one of the students who would directly give me the answer, sir, this would be the answer. And at that moment, I understood that this boy is in a different trajectory now.
So you have scored 356 for your GIPMAT entrance test. How did you do it, bhai? कैसे कर लिया?
Well, I was kind of shocked, to be honest, because I really did not expect that.
Hello, Neeraj sir. Welcome, and welcome, Prakhar. Okay, so Neeraj sir, whom do we have today?
We have Prakhar here.
Okay.
Is one of the brightest student, I should say. Very interesting guy. He was very shy at the beginning. He was one of the among the students, and later on, he emerged as one of the stars of the class.
Okay, but Prakhar, let's understand what exactly has made you start. So, can you just give a little introduction about that? What exactly right now is the newest achievement for you?
My name is Prakash Jawar. I recently completed my grade 12th and I'm interested in subjects like economics and mathematics because I like the reasoning involved in them. I've also taken part in a National Economics Olympiad, which was organized by SRCC, and I received a certificate of merit for securing All India rank of 114 out of around 2,500 participants. I have also worked as a scribe for a student with special needs during the CBSE board examinations. And I was also selected as a student anchor for my school annual day, where I had the opportunity to speak in front of more than around 500 guests. Over time, I realized that I genuinely enjoy situations where I can take initiative, make decisions, and interact with others.
So, you have scored 356 for your GIPMAT entrance test. How did you do it, bhai? कैसे कर लिया? I know students who actually struggle getting the number, but achieving 356, which is, I think, one of the highest this year.
Yes.
Is
So
it, sir?
far, so far.
So far, this is
Whatever
the
we
highest.
know.
Yeah, whatever we know, this is the highest. Congratulations on that. It is absolutely, I mean, mind blowing, numbers, and it is definitely an achievement which, you can definitely flaunt, Bragar.
Thank you for that. But actually, I am surprised as well because I did not expect to get 356. Since I had a Rohtak interview in Hyderabad, I could not give any mocks or like do anything to prepare for that. It was all preparation for Indore, Rohtak, and the exams which I gave before. So, like, I had gone with zero prep, and it was really unexpected.
And I think for you, the score is just the byproduct. It is basically your prep. वो जो 2 साल जो I think, yeah, slaughtering yourself, slogging, what you have done actually, matters. So tell me, Neeraj sir, when he joined, Thane, Vashi, right? He's joined Vashi. So when has Prakhar joined Vashi Center?
He was enrolled in 2 years program.
Right.
So once he joined, I vividly remember, very interesting. The batch was getting full. Prakhar was there, and we had just started with what curriculum we have. So we started with fundamentals, and Prakhar was one of the kid. He was learning, not necessarily asking questions. And every time we promote that you have to, in fact, in my classes, sometimes I say, ki, let's have a session of asking questions.
Okay.
You should know the art of asking questions. So I put up a question and I say, okay, come on, frame a question. It may be a very ridiculous question, but frame a question. So these kids used to frame questions. Prakhar was, again, let me be very truthful. I knew he is a bright student, but he's so bright. I would not. I would not. He was among equals. He was best among
You couldn't
equals.
predict that.
I couldn't predict. Later on, once we started into NAV module, arithmetic module, and once the sim test started, that is where I started understanding the X factor, what Prakhar has. But yes, yet I couldn't say he is that material who would get such a high marks. Later on, when the later on stages came, especially when the master classes came, and when we had in art center, we study master classes in a very enthusiastic manner. So we prepare ourselves. Okay, 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Let's see. We will not stop, and we will keep on learning. 4 hours. Sometimes when we had 6 hours marathon, and we used to crunch the concepts. You should take some brilliant questions. You used to think about it. And the best part, I would say, is all these kids were very excited. And Prakhar used to sit in the very first layer. And sometimes when I used to flash a question, okay, come on, let's think about this question. If this is the question, what would be the art of thinking? How would we go about? Stop, don't use the pen. Let's think. And he would be one of the students who would directly give me the answer. Sir, this would be the answer. And at that moment, I would say 20 days before the exams, I understood that this boy is in a different trajectory now. And he is going to do some brilliant stuff.
It is definitely brilliant, but this is something which is what mentor was speaking, Prakhar. Okay, कैसा होता है पता है? When you are preparing, it's you as a student going through the journey. Okay, now I want to understand your perspective. How eventually you started, and what exactly really helped you starting? What was the thought process, and then how it evolved?
Okay, so when I first enrolled in the program in my 11th standard, it was like अभी तो 2 साल है, अभी से क्या करूँगा? तो I like did not give much of the benchmark test, but since our sir told us to give, so I gave like 10 of them. But the real preparation started when I came in 12th. I realized that this is a serious thing now. So I watched all the like pre-class videos, which were really helpful for the to develop the basic concepts. And yeah, and then the full length mocks were the second most important thing for me, because when you give mocks, you realize that at what level you are standing, what scores you have, and by giving more and more mocks, your scores it gradually increase.
Correct.
So that would be the second thing. Yeah, and the third most important thing was the master class, which was after the boards. Like, I think that is the bridge between the low and average scorers to the top scorers. The master classes are the best thing for that, because that is when you develop the high level concepts which would be asked in the exams.
You put yourself in the fifth gear, basically. That's what exactly happens. All the students will immediately go into the fifth gear. And I would agree. Any student who comes in the, with us for a 2 year, the first year is only understanding concept, and the mindset is, ho jayega na? 2 saal pe ho jayega. Okay, but when the 12th enters and then the panic sinks in, that's when, things change. But tell me something. With 356, when you saw the score, how was your reaction?
Well, I was kind of shocked, to be honest, because I really did not expect that. I thought that I would get around like 300 or something. As I checked my marks, I called my parents. They were shocked, like, how did you get so much? You did not even get time to prepare for that. So, like, yeah, that was it.
Neeraj sir, how was your reaction? Because when I came to know, I was like, huh? Kya? Check again. Double check, triple check.
Interestingly, he messaged me at the night.
Okay.
And what he messaged is, sir, chipmat score 356. That's it. One like that. No enthusiasm, nothing. I was the screen. क्या बोल रहा है ये? Is there a typing error? I said, is it 356? Said, yes, 356. Well, congratulations, that's something amazing. But still, I thought, let's wait for the other students' marks to come in. And I didn't expect that it is the top 11 marks. And later on, when the other marks, other students' marks were collated, and then I saw Prakhar at the top, I was amazed, and I called I called his dad actually, and he did not pick up the call. And when he was trying to call me, I was in class. So later on, then I informed this boy, do you know something amazing? What, sir? Almost to have topped the GIPMAT exam.
You spoke to, eventually, did you speak to the dad?
Yes. Then I informed that, sir, I think so we have a topper. Who's that, sir? I said, your son. He's going to be the topper. I think so. I have not got exactly everything. Let's the result come. But yes, he is among the top. So he was very happy. Thank you, sir. And he really worked hard, and you all people really pushed him to work to his potentials. And he was all praise. It was all praise that your systems are very well placed. The way IMS, the whole learning pedagogy, the way it is, and he was very very happy.
And I'm very happy to hear that. But to tell me something, having a JIPMAN score of 356, okay, I am sure that the opportunity is there for both the IITs. So, what other IIMs you are looking at apart from this?
So, actually, I missed IIMs like the top IIMs like Indore and Shillong and Ranchi because of some silly mistakes. But I have PI calls from Rohtak, Kozhikode, and Amritsar.
Amazing. Amazing. So 356, which is definitely a mammoth task. Okay. Did you feel ever ki this is something which is really tough? Difficulty, do you feel that achieving this or going to, because see, normal scores, people put efforts. For you, moving from an X to a Y, what efforts or what do you think, Prakhar, that you have done differently?
Well, I think that like this is just a byproduct of what I did my preparation for IIM Indore. My top goal was to get into IIM Indore, and I learned concepts for that only. And yeah, that is it.
In fact, I'll picture it. See, predominantly the kids are so, they want to go for Iron Indore.
Correct.
They want to prepare for Iron Indore. But I always say, ki, come on, you should also fill the forms of other exams. And you never know. Sometimes you are too brilliant, yet during those hours, the decision which you are making during the hours of the examination, that becomes a very, very decision making thing. So these kids, I knew he has got all the potential. He can crack IIM Indore also. I know this for a fact. But yes, at that moment of time, some decisions what we discussed, he said, sir, two questions, very silly. I knew it, but the decisions of choosing the question was somewhere which was a mistake maybe. And then I said, okay, forget it, no problems. See, exams is one aspect now. You have to ultimately go to a college, you have to perform in the college, and the future is waiting for you. So nothing to worry. You have done a great job in JIPMAN, and that's what you have to be happy about.
Absolutely. And when it comes to the scores, I mean, this is something which is a feather in your cap. So by performing, while preparing for Indore, you have actually excelled JIPMAT. That's how exactly it has worked. Okay. But tell me something, Prakhar. Now everything is done and dusted. Okay. You are reaching to the closure where you would be kind of given admissions to one of the IITs here. Okay. Tell me, if you have to look back and give advice to students कि ये मैंने किया जो मेरे लिए काम किया, you should also do it. What would be that thing?
Okay. So I feel that mocks would be the most important thing. I gave like literally all the mocks which were available for IIM Indore. Like I guess there were 20 and I attempted all of them. And as soon as the mocks are available, just start attempting them because they just keep on coming and coming. And if you want that, you will have like a lot of tasks to do. Yeah, so keep attempting mocks.
So mocks is important. You cannot take mocks lightly.
Yes.
I am absolutely on this with you. What else? Is anything else apart from saying I know this possibly, making notes or anything which you feel that you have done which worked for you?
Okay, so after usually sometimes I visited the pre-class videos and wrote down the formulas which I found important, and even from the mocks, the questions which I did not get, I used to write the formulas and the concepts behind it in my notebook. And when there was an exam, I would just look at that notebook and yeah, be prepared for it.
Amazing. Okay. But tell me something now, the students who would be looking at you right now, Okay, they would want to know ki what exactly they should do from the start, which would be possibly help them to beat you, beat the 356 score for GIPMAT. So tell me, what exactly would you recommend them?
Well, I would recommend that just watch the pre-class videos, and whatever questions you feel like you did not get, just write them down in a notebook or something if you feel that could be important. And for vocab, you just have to, like, whichever words you do not know, you have to maintain a notebook, just write the meaning of the words and go through it after 1 week or 2 weeks, so that you remember it and just not write it.
Perfect. But tell me something, when you're going through this 2 years of journey, there's somebody who's always there walking with you, okay, which is a mentor. Okay, tell me which mentors. I'm sure Neeraj sir is here and he has helped you, but how exactly the advice which was given, which you felt was really helped you to, sail through?
Yeah, so I was usually in contact with Neeraj sir, because whenever I had doubts, I just messaged him, and or maybe even after class, I used to ask him. So yeah, and my verbal mentor was Amrita ma'am, and she also helped me with my vocab and comprehension thing.
Amazing. And you can clearly say that whatever help and whatever support guidance you have got, that has actually kind of showing colors clearly. So all the best, Prakhar, for your future endeavors, and thank you so much, Neeraj sir. And hopefully we get more students from you, like this, some amazing students like Prakhar. And Prakhar, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So, students, today we met Prakhar, okay, Prakhar Jawar, who has excelled with the GIPMAT score, a GIPMAT score of 356. I mean, unimaginable. But this particular effort or this particular score is not just a score, this is something which is the effort the student has put in. It really shows that if you want to achieve something, the sky is the limit. Okay, and I hope this particular conversation we had with Prakhar has helped you to understand and get excited and motivated to perform well.